Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is October 31st, 2024, and we're diving into the third quarter earnings report of LPL Financial. Joining us is John, Senior Analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. LPL Financial has reported some interesting numbers this quarter, and I'm excited to break them down with you.
Great. Let's get started with an overview of LPL Financial and their latest earnings report.
LPL Financial is a leading provider of investment and business solutions for independent financial advisors and institutions. In their Q3 2024 report, they announced a net income of $255 million, translating to a diluted EPS of $3.39, which is a 16% increase from the previous year.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. LPL Financial reported a net income of $255 million for Q3 2024, with a diluted EPS of $3.39, up 16% from last year. John, can you shed some light on this?
Absolutely. The company has shown strong profitability with an adjusted EPS of $4.16, marking an 11% increase year over year. Their gross profit also rose by 12% to $1,128 million, indicating effective cost management and operational efficiencies.
What factors contributed to this growth in profitability?
The increase in profitability can be attributed to a combination of higher advisory and brokerage assets, which grew by 29% year over year, and a disciplined approach to managing core G&A expenses, which only increased by 5%.
Strategic initiatives and acquisitions. Moving on to strategic initiatives, LPL Financial has been active in acquisitions. Can you tell us more about their recent moves?
Sure. LPL Financial recently closed the acquisition of Atria Wealth Solutions, which supports around 2,200 advisors and manages approximately $110 billion in assets. They also announced a definitive agreement to acquire the Investment Center, expected to close in the first half of 2025.
How do these acquisitions align with their strategic goals?
These acquisitions are part of LPL's strategy to expand their market presence and enhance their service offerings. Additionally, they plan to resume their share repurchase program with an estimated $100 million in repurchases during Q4, which reflects their confidence in future growth.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Let's discuss operational efficiencies and the future outlook. LPL Financial has tightened their core G&A outlook. What does this mean for the company?
They've adjusted their core G&A outlook to a range of $510 million to $525 million, reflecting their focus on efficiency while accommodating costs related to recent acquisitions. This indicates a disciplined approach to managing expenses while supporting growth.
And what about their future prospects?
With a growing advisor count, now at 23,686, and strong organic net new assets of $27 billion, LPL Financial is well positioned for continued growth. They've also declared a 30 cents per share dividend, underscoring their commitment to returning value to shareholders.
Key takeaways. In summary, LPL Financial has delivered a strong performance in Q3 2024 with significant growth in net income and EPS, strategic acquisitions, and a solid future outlook. John, any final thoughts on their investment prospects?
LPL Financial's strategic initiatives and strong financial performance make it an attractive investment. Their focus on expanding their advisor network and enhancing operational efficiencies positions them well for future growth.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on LPL Financial's performance in the comments below.